Alright, so this is apparently where the train station is. Everyone's getting ready, getting their stuff, putting their scarves on, and we are waiting because it's not supposed to be here for several hours. And we can look back over the town of Zwarat. We have our faithful donkey by one of the very large tires. Put one of the Hiluxes on a flatbed for the train with a truck. There's another Hilux up there. Okay, so we have the tie down for the car. It's not exactly tie down straps, they're basically just wire that they tie it in and snip off the ends. And then here is the bolt cutter to snip it off, and the other spare wire. A couple more flatbeds. And now we wait. Okay, waiting for the train, and still waiting. Football game still going on. Wandering around and waiting, still waiting for the train. That's an engine. Waiting for the train. Waiting. And good. Let's see what load they bring. And now they're tying it down. So begin the iron ore cars, which I think go on for a long way, so I'm not gonna film the whole thing.